Evening people, welcome back to the channel. I have another unboxing, just a quick unboxing. These are the Nike and Stüssy, I don't know how you pronounce it, Stüssy or Stüssy, Stüssy I think, Huaraches, in the olive colour. I've got the red colour, the red and desert colour on their way. This pair come first. Had to pay resale, but it was only about £20. That's the sticker. It comes in this old school box as well, which I absolutely love. I thought it was from the 80s, but apparently these first got released in the year 2000. One of Nike's first collaborations with another company, so I've heard. Yeah, here's the shoes. Now, when I first saw them, I immediately fell in love with them. They are beautiful. So that's the factory lace pair. That suede, you could play noughts and crosses on it. They're amazing. That's the back. It's the inside. The weird thing is about these, that I've noticed, but I'm guessing it's because they're originally from the year 2000. There's nothing on the shoe that says Stüssy, which is like strange for a collaboration. There's normally some kind of nod to the other company, but these just look like a sick colourway pair of Huaraches. So yeah, same trainer. I've laced these ones up myself. That's how I lace up my Huaraches. Again, I use all the holes, well, if I can. Yeah, banging pair. We'll see what the other colour says. Oh, you get this fancy paper as well. That is literally it. But for, well, retail they're 115 quid. I paid £140 for these. No, £142, something like that come to. I don't think it's bad. I don't know. I paid more for Air Max 1s and Air Max 90s I don't even like or will. So, but yeah, that is the Nike Stüssy Huaraches 2021. I will do a review on the other colour when I get them. Thanks. Subscribe and comment.